Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're out shooting in the desert today, and this is some of the stuff that we've been shooting. But I have one that you haven't seen yet. I'm gonna pick this up at Sportsman's Warehouse. So it's got the little crucifix on there. This is like a plastic, but this one's in 357, and this is, I guess they call it the Hand of God. If you've ever watched 310 to Yuma, you probably see this. Russell Crowe carries this gun. Of course, his was in 45 Colt. I'm shooting 38 special today because I'm just out of 357. But this, I mean, I've got all these wheel guns. And I've got some black powder ones as well, and none of them are as smooth as this one. This one here is just buttery smooth, and this is unloaded right now. So, but I just wanted to show it to you, and I know the Cas shooters would probably love this, but they'd probably want to take a wooden handle off of like that one and put on here, because it's a little bit light, but it still balances well. So let me load this up, and we'll fire a cylinder full of 38 special Cowboy loads. Okay, to load this, I'm just gonna load 5, and I'm not sure if all y'all's familiar with how to do this. So we put it on a half cock so your cylinder spins. Load 1, you're going to skip 1, then you load your other 4. And when you get to there, you can slowly ride that forward, and you can, I'm not sure how well you can see, but you can tell there's no bullet there at the top, so the hammer's resting on an empty chamber. So that's how I'm loading it, and let's get out there and shoot it. Well, the wind has kicked up a little bit, but that's not going to stop us, right? So I've got some targets out here, I don't know, 20 yards, maybe 15 yards. Anyways, so I've loaded 5 rounds. You can see there's no shell at the top here. So, but yeah, let's get a good shot of that. This is plastic, and it is only on one side. I think on their website it says it's on both sides. It's not. Again, I picked this up from Sportsman's Warehouse, and it's not sponsored. I actually paid money for this, so let's see how it goes. Again, these are the 38 special Cowboy rounds, so let's see how it does. Yeah, not too bad, at least at this distance. So to unload this, go half cock, and there's a little lever right here, and I'm not sure how well you can see that. And then you turn your cylinder, push them out. There we go. So I've got 5 more rounds I'm going to run. All right, let's do this again. After this one here, I'll set you up over there and then I'll fire off some more. So here we go. So there we go. So let me reload, and I'll move the camera over there and let you guys see where I'm hitting. Okay, so that wasn't too bad, you know, only like 15-20 yards, you know. It's nothing that you're gonna, well, I guess some people could probably shoot a fly off a log, you know, at 100 yards. But again, this is distributed by EMF, but it is a Pietta, and it's a Great Western II. The colors on this are just beautiful. I'm not sure how well this is coming out in the camera, but you know, and then the crucifix on there looks real nice. This is plastic, and it is only on one side. I think on their website they list that it's on both sides, but it's not. They have 9mm 45 Colt and 357. So if you picked one of those up, let me know your experience with it, especially the 9mm. I'm pretty curious about that one. So, and then if you have a Great Western II, is the action just as light and smooth as this one is, or is this just truly just a special edition revolver? You know, I apologize for the wind. It's kicking up pretty good, but you know, for you cast shooters out there, if you're watching this, you know, it might be a little bit light in the back end. You know, if you wanted to leave this grip, I'm sure you could take it off and maybe put some lead weights in it or something. But you know, it's a true Colt clone. It also does have the 4 clicks, so there we go. I know some of these things only have 3. Some of my black powder stuff only has 3. But yeah, this is really comfortable to shoot. I've not had any trouble with it whatsoever. I've already gone through a couple hundred rounds, so I do need to go clean this. If you guys want to see a cleaning video on this, let me know. But anyway, leave comments down below your experiences with this, and that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.